Medical and lab officers in the country held peaceful demonstrations in Nairobi Wednesday to push the government to heed to their demands. The technicians who downed their tools close 2 months ago are accusing the Ministry of Health for refusing to recognize their union.
For the 50th consecutive day, medical and laboratory technicians boycotted work, taking the battle to the Ministry of Health Afya House headquarters on Wednesday. Donned on their white lab coats and carrying placards, the striking technicians who preached "Come for a while" at Afya House sharply criticized the Ministry of Health for allegedly ignoring their 3-year quest to be recognized as unionizable staff.
They have never called us to any meeting, and when the Minister of Labour decided to end these issues and invited us for discussions, the Minister of Health neither sent a representative, the same thing to the COG.
You cannot treat us with contempt, yet you want our members to go and do medical diagnosis in hospitals.
Through their Secretary General Pius Nyakundi and National Chairperson Nicholas Odipo, the lab officers also vowed not to return to work until they are paid their risk allowances.
If the ministry could have called us to the table and told us that this is a give and take, we could be able to go back to the drawing board and say, let's go back to job as we solve the other issues. But unfortunately, we cannot go back to job without a turn to work formula that has an irreducible minimum of a risk allowance, enhanced risk allowance, and a recognition agreement.
They also voiced their concerns over what they termed as critical medical laboratory services, including HIV testing in the country, being conducted by non-qualified officials.
There have been complaints of giving of false results by these people, but the ministry is trying to cover up this issue. We want to tell them that the people who are responsible to test HIV in this country are medical laboratory officers who are registered and licensed to practice medical laboratory in this nation.
For Prime Edition, I'm Joseph Wahungu.